Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
To see your Apple Watch battery percentage, start at the watch face. Swipe up from the bottom edge to open Control Center. Look for the small battery icon with a percentage number beside it. That number shows the remaining battery as a percentage. Tap the battery icon to open the battery view and see additional details. The battery view shows battery health, usage, and a button for power reserve mode. Use this method anytime you are wearing the watch and need a quick battery read. You can add a battery complication for always visible percentage information. Press and hold the watch face until it zooms and shows the Customize button. Tap Customize to edit the face. Swipe left to the Complications panel for the selected slot. Tap the slot, then rotate the digital crown to find the battery complication. Select the battery complication and press the display to save your changes. The watch face now shows a battery percentage without opening Control Center. You can check the Apple Watch battery percentage from your paired iPhone. Open the Watch app and tap the My Watch tab to see battery widgets and status. If you need to conserve power, enable low power mode on the watch from Settings, then Battery. Low power mode reduces background activity and conserves battery life. If battery becomes critically low, use Power Reserve to display only the time and stop other functions. Charge your watch when convenient to avoid unexpected shutdowns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.